Hi everyone. Whenever you would like to access your account in List Secure app, so before 2020 we had 2023 we had the opportunity to use our Google account. Okay, so let's come to the List Secure apps. Okay, this section. So let's check it. Before we had this opportunity to use our account there. See it? Now it is not available. Let's click on learn more. See, it says that to help your account secure from May 30, 2020, Google no longer support of this third-party apps. Okay, so it is not supporting now this apps. Okay, for example, you would like to send an email in PHP or Django or someone else. So you would like to access your account and send the email from there programmatically, but there is no opportunity to use that. So this feature has turned up by Google. So what to do? So first of all, we will come to our account and to the security tab, and here we will turn on the two-step verification. So let's turn on two-step verification. Enter your password to verify that it's you. So enter your phone number here. After entering your phone number, so let's press send my button. Yeah, we will get a code. We got a code from Google that says 297. After entering the code, yeah, two-step verification is turned on now on our Google account. Yeah, that has turned on now. So now let's come to let's back to the security tab to list. Yeah, here now we have this opportunity app password. Okay, before it was not available, so now we can get a password to use that. Okay, click on this app passwords. After clicking on this, let's generate a password. For example, for which purpose? For other. And type a name SMTP. I will just name it SMTP and generate. We will get a password. See, it is the password that we got. This is the password that we will use. So I will come to, I would like to send an email from PHP. Okay, just come here to the send mail.txt in XAMPP server. No, sorry, it is not. Let's come to C, the XAMPP server, and send mail, and send mail dot any. Here I will enter then the password. I will enter this password, save it. Now I will just test my application that the email is sending or not. I will send an email to this email, to to this account and send it. Let's turn on this Gmail. Email sent successfully. See it, we got this message. Okay, let's check it. See, test message, test. So we got this message. It was all about configuring less secure app. So